Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your password on PayPal. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.paypal.com and hit enter. After the home page of PayPal opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you make sure that you're logged in, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be guided to the settings menu. Now on this menu, click on the security tab on the top of your screen. After you click on the security option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, find this password option and then click on this update button. After you click on the update button, a window or a menu will appear on your screen. Now in this tab, you'll have to fill in your current password here. You'll have to fill in the new password which you want here. You'll have to fill in the same password exactly as it is here and then click on this change password option. Once you click on the change password option and if you have filled in the requirements correctly, the password on your PayPal account will be automatically changed. I hope this video helped you to change your password on your PayPal account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.